Hi, my name is Ainul and my student ID is 20238720042. This presentation is about compound interest and annuity, and I will present question 1.
Hi, my name is Alicia. My student ID is 2023601782 and I'll be presenting question number 2.
Hi, my name is Alia. My student ID is 2023684714 and I will present question number 3.
Hi, my name is Sharafana and my student ID is 2023620438 and I will present question number 4.
Okay, we will start with question 1. The Kayu Sendirian Berhad plans to invest RM25,000 and they have two options of investment plan to consider. Investment A, 5% compounded monthly. Investment B, 4.5% compounded monthly. A. Explain briefly on the term of annual nominal rate, frequency of conversion and effective rate in your own words. Any relevant answer. So, annual nominal rate is the interest rate for a year. The symbol is K%. Frequency of conversion, M, is how many times the money has been compounded. Meanwhile, an effective rate is the actual rate that is earned in a year. B. If the investment period is 5 years, which investment plan should the Kayu Sendirian Berhad choose? Explain your answer. For investment A, we have 25,000 as a principal, K is 0.05, M is 12, T is 5, I is K divided by M, so 0.05 divided by 12, N is N equal to MT, so we will get 60. We will use S equal to P times 1 plus I to the power of N. So 25,000 times 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 to the power of 60. We will get RM 32,083.97. Investment B, we have 25,000 as a principal, K is 0.045, M is 4, T is 5, I is 0.045 divided by 4, and N is 20. We will use the same formula, 25,000 times 1 plus 0.045 divided by 4 to the power of 20. We will get RM 31,268.76. As we can see, the Kayu Sendirian Berhad has to choose the investment A because the accumulated amount is more as compared to the investment B.
For question 2, 3 years ago, Inshira deposited 7,700 ringgit in a saving account at 6% compounded every 2 months. Find A, the maturity value today, which is also known as the letter S. First of all, we need to identify the information given. In this question, we can summarize that the K, annual nominal rate, which is 0.06%, the frequency of conversion, which is M, is 6 times. Next, the periodic interest rate, I, is 0.06 divided by 6. Next, the term for this question is 3 years. And lastly, the number of interest N is 6 multiplied by 3 equals to 18. Based on the timeline, Inshira deposited 7,700 ringgit on the first year. So, we need to find the maturity value on the third year. For the equation, we have to use the formula S equals to P multiplied by 1 plus I to the power of N. It will be 7,700 ringgit multiplied by 1 plus 0.06 divided by 6 to the power of 18. The final answer would be 9,210 ringgit and 34 cents.
For question 2B, if Inshira added another 2,000 in her savings today, find the accumulated amount at the end of 5 years from now. First and foremost, we need to use the information given. T is 5, N is 30, K is 0.06%, M is 6, and lastly I is 0.06 divided by 6. The next step to solve this problem is we need to find the new principal. To find the new principal, we need to take the maturity value from the previous question 2A, which is 9,210 ringgit and 34 cents, and add it with 2,000 ringgit, and the answer would be 11,210 ringgit and 34 cents. Next, we need to use the formula S equals to P multiplied by 1 plus I to the power of n and fill it with the information that we got, which is 11,210 ringgit and 34 cents multiplied by 1 plus 0.06 divided by 6 to the power of 30. The final answer would be 15,109 ringgit and 84 cents. Question 2C, the total interest earned. We need to use the formula I equals to S minus P. I stands for interest, S stands for accumulated amount, and P stands for principal. So we just fill it with the information from question B. So it will become 15,109 ringgit and 84 cents minus 11,210 ringgit and 34 cents, and the final answer would be 3,899 ringgit and 50 cents.
Question 3. Daniel wishes to invest in an annuity plan that pays interest at 4% compounded annually. He needs to obtain enough money in the plan so that he can withdraw 10,000 annually for the next 4 years. A. Explain briefly the term of annuity. Annuity is a sequence of equal payments made at regular equal intervals of time. An ordinary annuity is certain where payments are made at the end of each interval period for a specific term. The interest period and the payment period are the same intervals. Therefore, the number of payments and the number of interest period are the same. Examples of annuity are short rentals, insurance policy premium, annual dividend receipt, and installment payments. B. Calculate the amount Daniel needs to obtain in the plan for the annual withdrawals to be possible. The information given, I is 0.04 over 1, N is 1 times 4 equal to 4, and R is 10,000. The formula used is A equal to R, 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I to the power of negative n and divided by I. So if you just fill the information in the formula, you will get 36,298 ringgit 95 cents. C. Find the annual payments that must be made by Daniel if he has 18 years to obtain the amount needed in the plan. So there is given n is 18, so we will use formula S equal to R in bracket 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 divided by I. So we will take the answer in B and put it as S because we need to find annual payment, which is R. So 36,298 and 95 cents equal to R in bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 1 to the power of 18 minus 1 divided by 0.04 over 1. R equal to 36,298 ringgit 95 cents divided by in bracket 1 plus 0.04 over 1 to the power of 18 minus 1 divided by 0.04 over 1, and the final answer is 1,415 ringgit and 42 cents.
For question 4, Siti bought a car at 70,000 ringgit. She paid 10% down payment and took a loan at 2.5% compounded monthly to finance the balance. The loan is to be repaid over 9 years by monthly installment. Find A, the monthly payment. First, we need to find loan after the down payment. 70,000 minus 10 divided by 100 multiplied by 70,000, we get 63,000. N equal to MT. 12 multiplied by 9 equal to 108. I equal to 0.025 divided by 12. So we use this formula to get R. So we include all the information into this formula. We get R equal to RM 652.02 cents. B, the total interest charge. We use formula interest equal to NR minus A. So 108 multiplied by 652.02 cents minus 63,000. So we get RM 7,418.16 cents. If Siti fails to make the first 5 monthly payment, find the amount she has to pay on the 6th payment in order to settle the outstanding arrears. So since she failed to make the first 5 monthly payment, the end will be 6. So we use this formula to find the amount at the end of 6 months. So the S will be RM 3,932.55 cents.